your lives out loud. You're happy to post your whole day online, I'm sure, or at least if you're not, a lot of your contemporaries are, with your Snapchat and other stuff, and we see that a lot. What would you advise folks to be doing when they're thinking about going out for a job, in terms of what their social media footprint may or may not look like to an employer?
Delete it.
Yeah. Definitely. We did this project for MTV, Student of the Year, and the interview process got down to the final 3, and basically part of the Student of the Year had to be an ambassador for MTV, and they researched this poor girl's social media history and found some images from her at a university party, dressed up quite provocatively, and they had it ready, and they said, so, what sort of person should a student be? She should be this person, that person. And they said, so what would you see if you saw this picture? And I thought it was out of order, and her face just dropped. But that was ages ago. It wasn't that bad. But she wasn't thinking, in 2 years I'm going to go for a job at MTV and I might look at this picture. And I think that's part of it. You don't think. You post stuff. So, I do it just so freely. But every tweet, every, image you post, it's out there. So you should be thinking about your career, and what you do now will affect your future, because employees will go straight to your social media. And look at, does anyone know Maya Jama? Do you know that story? When she tweeted something, she tweeted 2 years ago, and it's come back to haunt her now. So.